Hello, hello. This is Erin from LizzieandErin.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick little Valentine's ribbon tassel. Ours is going to be Valentine's Day because that's the next holiday coming up, but you can do these year round with whatever holiday's coming up. I like to decorate around my house with tassels. I like to hang them on the light switches for my lamps. I like to hang them on doorknobs, and I think that this will make a cute little addition to my Valentine's decor for my house. So you guys, I've got a bunch of different ribbons and strings here, and what we're going to do is we're going to piece them all together, and that's going to make up our tassel. I've got a piece of twine here as well, and I've got 3 wooden beads that we'll use at the top of our tassel. This is a white bead that I just painted it white. It was a regular wooden bead from Hobby Lobby, and then these red ones they came red. They were they came off of a Christmas garland from Hobby Lobby. So let's get started, you guys. First, also these bigger ribbons right here that I'm using, these all came from the Dollar Tree. Super cute ribbons from the Dollar Tree. So all we're gonna do is just start stacking up our ribbons. There's really no like rhyme or reason. I'm just using string. We'll throw in some pom-poms that came from Hobby Lobby. We'll stack our ribbons. This is just some red and white baker's twine that I had left over from Christmas, and to just stack them all together just like that. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so now with my piece of twine, I always do a slip knot, but all you need to do is just tie a knot in the center of your ribbons and strings here, okay? So find the center of your pile of strings or stack, and we're going to pull it tight. Like I said, I'm doing the slip knot. Just use whatever knot you normally use to tie it all together. Then I'm going to bring it tight, just like that. I'm going to tie it off a couple more times to make sure it's not going anywhere. Perfect. And then we have a tassel. Ooh. Let me straighten it out. My ribbons are wanting to go funky ways. Okay, so there we go. We've got a cute tassel so far. Now we need to add our wooden beads to the top, and then a hanger, and that is it. Then we'll be done. Okay, also, when you get your ribbons all together, and by the way, I forgot to mention, I cut each strip of the ribbon and the strings about 12 inches long. But what you'll do is at the very end, bring them all together at the end, find your shortest piece, and just cut off the end until they're all the same length. Just give it a little trim. All right. Super cute. Let me lay that down, clean up my mess. And let's start attaching our wooden beads here. I hope that you guys are liking this so far. I'm loving it. Okay. So I'm going to start with a red bead, and I'm going to put together my 2 pieces of twine. I did add a little bit of hot glue to the tips of my twine so that they would go together or go through the wooden beads much easier. So there we go. Just kind of twist it through like that. Got our red bead on. Then I'm going to do a white bead. Same thing. Just twist it through your bead. And I promise it'll come out the other side. There we go. And then one last red bead. What do y'all think? Super easy, right? Super easy. I'm sure you have lots of ribbon and strings hanging around your house. Bring them all together and make some cute little tassels. for your house, or they could be, you could add them to any Valentine's gifts that you may be giving out, you know, to a teacher. You could add a little tassel to the outside of the gift. Okay, so I tied a little knot right there at the top of the red bead, just so that my beads are not moving around, so that they stay right in place where I want them. And then we're gonna, a little higher up, about 2 inches up or so, we're gonna tie another knot for our hanger, so that we have a hanger to hang our tassels. I did 2 little knots right there. Perfect. And that is it, you guys. Ta-da! There we go. I hope that you enjoyed this. This is the one that we just made, but I also have a few other ones that I already made that I'll show you guys. This one is very similar to that one. And then this one is just simple. I didn't put all the string, I didn't put the baker's twine on it, but very cute. So there's a few more ideas, you guys. Have fun with them. Enjoy the process of making them. And I hope that you enjoy this video. All right, you guys, make sure you're following us on Facebook, Lizzie and Erin, and make sure you're also checking out our blog at lizzieanderin.com. If you're interested in the shirt that I'm wearing, it says Blessed and Craft Obsessed. You can check out lizzieanderindesigns.com, and that is where all of our shirts are. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.